Hello guys, today we're going beyond the skybox of Chicken Gun. So, what is literally outside the game? So, let's just start. If this fails, I don't know what will work. So, let's go start this. Let's go see what's beyond the game itself. Okay, there. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. First, let's go do this. Now, let's go. Never mind. Oh, it did not work. Hindi kami ni Chelsea nag-away. Ano lang kami, nagrararo. Okay, spaghetti. Wala rin spaghetti. Yung ano? Wala eh?
Saan?
Ba't ayak?
Oo. No?
Cancel. Baka pag pinipindot yun, ayaw gumana. Balik tayo. Baka kailangan ng start casting.
Kailangan ko ng nandyan ng screenshot ko yung mga sitas ko.
Nilagay mo yung 03.
Hindi yun.
Ano yun?
Yung comparison ko. Wala, ba't ayaw?
Well, what am I doing right now? Why is it not even working? It's not working. How do I fix this? Okay, there it is. It's off. It was so hard. If I did not fix that, that would never go where I wanted it. So let's go try to keep flying through the air. But first, we have to attach a propeller. I don't know. Okay, that was too much. So let's go add the second one. Wait. It has to go beyond the skybox, guys. What's beyond the skybox? That's the title, guys. What's beyond the skybox in Chicken Gun is the title. Let's just get rid of this ugly looking camera. We're gonna be replacing that ugly camera with a special camera. This is the first camera. This is the second camera. And this is the
Kaya siguro, ang hirap ng buhay.
Ay, yung mga negosyo nito, may marin paano sila kikita.
Camera. Third camera. If anything good, and we're gonna be making the fourth camera pointing down. The fifth camera looking up in the sky. So now let's go connect everything. Everything is gonna be connected. Just give me a few seconds.
Hindi lang pagdating na po na natangal kami. Tapos tanghalian na. Yung tanghalian, yung aming sa atin na.
Bam. Now let's go check. Now let's go. Oh, it's attached to the. How is it getting to the TV too? It's attached to the TV. Okay, I don't know what else gonna work, but let's go fix this thing. Let's go fix this whole entire thing.
Yung style ng pang-amin niya, para bang makaluto. Yung damit niya, parang makakapa.
Okay, we have this camera. No. We have this camera. You see this camera? Yes, you do. We're going to be using a propeller. That's impulse and power 10. That's when you will see the true power of helicopter. Now that's the first part. Let's go just 1, 2. Oh my, I'm a genius. I am a genius. I'm attaching all of these just for pure power. Look at this. It's powerful. Let's go see what is gonna be beyond that whole entire area. There it is. Now we need the button. Right here.
Ano yung oras ang ibinigay ng pare?
Siya kasi ang sabihin pa lang, ay 8 pa lang yun, pinakasal.
Now let's go.
Kasi pagdating
Power the impulse.
Kaya lang magagawa yung mga tao na kanina. Siyempre, aakay yung mga tao.
Look at this. Power impulse. Now let's go with the camera.
Hindi, bago nagkainan. Kasi hindi ka pwede kumanta.
Oh my, that's literally trying to go beyond. Now let's go see.
Sila dyan, kung ano yung tumutugtog eh.
Okay, let's go AFK for a moment.
Sila na lang kasi nagpaparenta ng mo.
Oo. Sila na nakuha siguro.
Kasi sila mahal din magrenta ng mobile.
Mga mobile, sila halos.
Kasi nagdaan si Ganda kasi kaysa wala.
Tsaka yung nagpasalamat ito si Juan ay nagsalamat daw sa tulong ng mga kapatiran na hinahanap daw sila ng mulang venue, mulang ganito, mulang ganito. O, mula lang siguro itong venue na ito. Kasi ano,
hindi na nakita yung
ha?
sayang laro ni Brett niya.
May dalawang ganyan pag nagkulang ng isa yan. Babay na.
So, sayang nangyari yung yung laging takip ng thunder ko, di mo lang nakakita. Alam mo yung pinulog ni Tami sa ano?
Dining sa
Sa
likod.
bintana. Oo, kaya baka dyan sa likod.
Hindi makikita naman sa bubong yun.
Hindi, din nga. Tsaka din ka ako. Baka wala na lang mawala ng gano'n na hindi mo naman malaman kung saan nakarating.
Kung nabitin ko yung makita. check ko muna magkano, baka maaga rin naman magka-kliyente. Rest ko na kung magkano.
Ring, 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 ring. Maybe just she calls my phone. Ring, 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 ring. Maybe
Ang
just
kaya bumili ng gaso, hindi ko na hindi. Ang Sabado, ano? Sabado.
Whoa. What? Stop. Oh my. The screen turned black.
Ay, oo, ang Sabado.
Oh my, that's beyond. I noticed that. I was looking at my phone while I was placing pieces. The screen went black. What's really beyond that? No, I need to see what's beyond it. She calls up my phone. Okay, let's go sit on the thing again. I'm gonna be ready because I don't know what is literally beyond that thing that we just saw there. Let's just make the seat smaller. She calls up my phone. Ring, 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 ring. Give me that, leave me alone. Seat plus the camera turns into a camera seat, right? Right? This time we have to literally get there. That is one of the rarest phenomenons. But I don't want to go there. I'm so scared. There might be... Tall Chicken might be there, and he might be ready to eat me. But we really have to do it. This is for the subscribers. I need to see what's beyond the game. Chicken Gun, what are you hiding? We are coming for your secret black screen. Chicken Gun, we've never seen something like this. We're going beyond your game. What's really beyond your game? I just saw black there. It's time to see what are you hiding, Chicken Gun? What are you hiding? She calls up my phone. Ring, ring, ring. For the subscribers. Power. Impulse. Impulse. Power. Power. Impulse. We are going to the space of the game. No. Bro. No. That sense. What? It was the computer, not the... Ring, 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 baby, just ring. Oh my, we really need to see what's beyond that. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot it after it went black. I did not cut it. I did not cut it and replace it with a black screen, bro. I did not cut it. What did I do? She calls at my phone. Ring, ring. Leave me alone. Okay, we gotta find that again and again, 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 do it again. Simmering, again, do it again, Okay, I think I'm not ready yet because it's not fully impulsive yet. We gotta find what's beyond that whole entire skybox. Bro, what? Simon. Again. Okay, there. Are we fixed? Okay, boys. We're fixed here. I don't think we're still ready yet. Power, impulse. I think it's just impulse then power yet. Okay, impulsive and powered. Okay. Okay, let's go. Bam! No, it's not supposed to end up like that. It did not work. It's not working properly. It's supposed to fly in the sky. Okay. Boom. Okay, it's going. Now, I'm gonna AFK again. Oh my. Okay, I'm just gonna play chess. Still looking at the screen while placing pieces. Amber.
Biyernes ngayon, di ba? Biyernes wala ba? 13 pa lang ngayon. 14. Biyernes bukas. 15. 16. Nakamalapit na birthday ni Kuya. Kuya. Birthday Kuya Kiretin mo kami.
Ano lang po, yung mga metals na gagastos sa sahig.
Ayun pa. Ano yung
Akala mo sa labas lang ang bahay mo.
Wait, that's the black screen. I finally found it. This is the so I gotta screenshot it. Hello, Mr. Screenshot, work please. Why are you not working? Oh, it worked. It worked. It worked. Let's go. Tempestu, Komasa. Now it's finally our turn to go into that void. To go into that most mysterious void. But first, I don't want to fall off. So, let me just... Give me a few seconds. Give me a few seconds. Don't be patient. There. Bam. We're just gonna need 4. Okay, guys, be careful. This one's gonna explode probably. This one would probably explode, so I want to be careful. Last time it was super slow because it was just one jet and one propeller, seriously. But now we're doing it with 4 propellers. What I like the most. Oh my. I like the propellers gonna go to the moon. I hope I don't find soul chicken. 9 ko lang nakita ito. 9 ko lang po nakita ito. Okay, anyways. Let's go picture. One of the world's hardest thing ever gonna exist in Chicken Gun. Going to the Void Land. That's final, guys. This is literally one of the hardest things Chicken Gun could ever give us. The newest. I pronounce you. The void of Chicken Gun. The thing we've never seen. The thing Chicken Gun has been hiding. We never saw it. Until now. Now let's go start this right now. Okay. Oh, we're not ready yet, boys. Let's get ready. Power impulse. That's literally it. Power impulse. Power impulse. This is gonna glitch Chicken Gun. Power impulse. This is it. The final thing is left. The button. Of everything we have been waiting. Beyond the whole map. This is it. Beyond the map is here. We are going beyond the whole entire game. So be ready. This is absolute cinema. Okay, ready? Now I'm also going to place the seat here. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my! This whole entire game is going crazy. I knew it would glitch Chicken Gun, but we're still not ready yet. We still have to be ready. We can't get B. Can't be. It cannot fail. This is our mission. Chicken Gun, show us what's inside your whole entire server. Show us what's outside the map. Show us everything. Show us everything you're hiding, Chicken Gun. We're coming for you. We're coming. Now, guys, this more longer. I think this is less longer, so let's go AFK again. Oh! Making ladders. Let's go. 2. I only got 2, so I go to 16. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1? Okay, 1. 2. 1, 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like I just got 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. 1? Seriously? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. I just got 6. Oh, 51. That means I climb up to 67. 67. Bikong, shut up.
Nagkaalam ba ito kuya? Tunalo si kuya.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dikong!
Si kuya. Ito Chinese talk na lang.
Hindi ka Chinese. Dikong, hindi ka Chinese. Bro, what happened? The whole game can glitch like...
Ayaw mo kung mag-check?
Okay, that's it. That's final. We're here out the void. So, one more thing. The end is far. The end is close. Let's go forward. The end is super close. I can't give up now. We're so close. Can't give up. We can't show up. Come on. What? Time. Really time. It's really time. I can't do it by myself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my, got eaten by the snake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I win! I'm sorry for using you as bait for me. I need them to Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Oh my puncture. I'm puncturing this.
Wala pa rin internet.
I need them to show up.
Marami siyang matutulungan yung sa balaya, no?
Oo, ayun lang. Karamihan ng ikon niya, puro
Tapos ano,
lalaki.
nagbigay ko si Vilma, pinamigay niyo sa mga tauhan niyo, pinamigay niyo.
Makatog-apay ka na kaya sa mga kapital.
Saan ba ito? Meron nga ito yung matangganan namin. Ganyan po.
Nag-invest ka si Vilma sa akin.
Okay, 2. Now we have the needle balls.
Nagbigay niya.
1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3,
Puro lalaki tauhan niya sa isang bakla.
Dalawang babae.
5, 6. I just got 6. I didn't. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I got 3.
Mga tauhan namin, laging dumidiyang dumadali sa
3,
kanya.
1, 2, 3. Another 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh my, it keeps getting me more farther. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I made it to the end. I win. That's needle. Now let's go see the ball needle. Oh, I need them to show up. Seriously, making the player collapse because I'm a child. I'm a child. I'm a child. I'm a child. I'm a battery child. Till the sun comes out. I'm a child. I'm a child. I'm a child. Why would I get a job and live with my mom? What? I'm a child. I'm a child. I'm a child. What? Bro, you're literally cheating. 2, 3, 4. Let's roll the dice again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a child, I'm a child, I'm a child. Then a little game alone until the sun comes out. I'm a child, I'm a child, I'm a battery child. Little game alone until the sun comes out. I'm a child, I'm a child, I'm a battery child. I will get a job. Bro, it's been so long. I've been venturing through these skies. How long has it been? Okay, that's it. We're using something else. My fingers hurt from holding for so long. You know why I'm holding? Because it's faster. Duh. But I'm so dumb. I could just... Why did I not think of this before? But where is it? It's disappearing. Sorry for using you as bait, friend. I need them to show up. This is literally the end. It's experiencing jittery. No way. We found the end. Did we? It's experiencing jittery. But still, it's not the end. Let's go. Let's keep going. What's literally beyond here? What is the end? I need to figure out what's the end of Chicken Gun. also jittering. Everyone, keep going. We're gonna make it. Should I finish our ocean? Yes, we're getting closer. Getting closer. No way. No way. Are we starting to experience more jittery here? Okay, that plane's poor plane, bro. But the thing that matters is the end. We have to know what is there. Starting to jitter when I move. Everything's getting kind of jittery. Literally. Everything. Am I jittery? Is this the end? It's also getting jittery here. What is through this map? I need to know the end. Chicken gun, what are you hiding? This is it. We have to find out. What are you hiding, chicken gun? What are you hiding? Are you here? Where are you? Show yourself. I said show yourself. Show yourself, chicken gun. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared, boy. Come on, fight me. Fight me. Fight me. I got kicked? Bruh! I'm in the end of the map. I got kicked? Seriously? Are you kidding me? That's the end? Bruh! Brother, this guy stinks. What? That's literally just the end? We made it. That's the end of Chicken Gun. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for giving me 1,400 subscribers. I kind of forgot to thank you because I was kind of in a hurry. Yeah. Never mind. So, bye.